I've got some old tractors round here. They're scattered everywhere. Bloody trees have grown through this one. I don't know what it is. John Deere, I think. There's another one behind it. With the old-fashioned seat. I bet these are worth a fortune as spares. E-Reg. E-Reg, that would be about 67, I reckon. 66. There's tractors everywhere. Bits of tractors, bloody thousands of them. I don't even know where I am. Another one here. Another two. Another three. You're in the woods there. Dozens and dozens of them. It looks like he's collected them and give up. Prince, come here. International case. Bloody thousands of them. The tyres here. Auf Wiedersehen.